So how do you stop the messages of some people from showing up on the iPad instead of the iPhone? Let's set it up. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything important. So basically on your iPhone, what you need to do is to go to the settings app. It has to be the iPhone which belongs to you and uses the same account as your iPad. But go in here, open up the settings, go to apps, and at the bottom, then locate the messages, and you need to find what's called the text message forwarding. It should be one of the options right here, and you get to pick which device the messages are forwarded to. So you can pick your other iPhones, like if you have more of them, or iPads, or even Mac computers. And if you don't want your text messages to be forwarded to your iPad, obviously disable it right here and make sure that it doesn't happen anymore. And your text will only stay on your iPhone. But there are also other messages which you might be receiving. So not just regular text messages, but also iMessage is over the internet. And in that case, you need to set it up on the device on the iPad. In there, go to the apps section within the settings. Again, go to messages, and you can decide that you, for example, turn off iMessage altogether, or you change some sort of settings. For example, you might also turn off the notifications or set it up in a way that it doesn't interfere with your phone, or some people just don't show up on your iPad. So these are the ways which you can change or tweak the settings of your messages, especially on the iPad. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if we managed to successfully change it for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future tutorials.